Hi, I'm Dave Blake from EasyGates Direct, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to set up the DNAKE S414 and the DNAKE S617 with the speed dial function, and also set this speed dial function up so you can utilize tiles on the touchscreen display, so it will call straight through to the monitor without having to use the contact list. So in this demonstration, I'll be using the cloud to remotely access this because this is all on a separate network at the moment. So if you take yourself to the cloud or log in via your local IP address, I'll go through this now. So click login and find the site that you've got this kit registered to. So I've got this on my demo case here. Now I'm going to do this on the S617 because it's a little bit more visible for the tutorial. So find the device, click the three dots on the right there, and click Access Device Web Server. So what this will do is it will create me a little VPN portal directly into the back end of this thing. Now, the most important thing with this is to check that you are on the latest firmware for that product. For this 617, I've got the firmware ending in 2025 1113 is the latest one I've got, which has got this speed dial function associated with it. So anything later than that will be fine, but anything previous to that may not have that speed dial ability. So yeah, just double check before you get carried away that you are on the latest firmware available. So to enable this mode, first thing we've got to do is click drop down on Advanced and click on Preferences. Now on here, there are various different things you can change, the wallpaper, display, etc., etc. We want to go to Home Page Settings. Now by default, this will be set to Standard, and we want to make sure that that has been set to Speed Dial. You'll also see underneath here that you've got various options to edit some of the layout of what you've got displayed at the bottom of on this bottom row here. So for instance, I've also changed the wording of PIN, and I've put in the little editable field there on the right hand side, Keypad Code. So you could do that for, let's say, face. You can change that to facial recognition if you want it to make it a bit more clearer. But we'll move on from that bit. So if you make sure any changes that you do make, you press save. And the next bit we want to do is go to the phone book. So if we click on drop down on Intercom and then go to phone book, and this will bring up all of the apartments that we've got stored on here. Obviously you can see I've only got apartment 1 because I've just got the one monitor on there, but I've set up multiple tiles for that. So if you click on Add, it's going to give you a name field there, and I'm going to call this EasyGates Direct, and set the apartment number. So I'm going to put 1 in there again, and you'll see that it has got an option for you to upload a photo. So this could be your company logo, it could be a customized image if you've got a property name or something like that that you wanted to add a nice touch to. But I'm going to leave that for now. If you leave that, if you don't upload a photo, we'll just come up with the wording that I've put in the name field here at the top. But most importantly on this as well, just make sure you tick over Add to Speed Dial, and that will add it to the home page, and then press OK. So now you'll see I did have 3 tiles before, I've now got 4, and the 4th saying EasyGates Direct. And if I simply press that button there, that's going to call through to the monitor. Just turn that off. And now this is the same process for both the 617 and the S414, and you can add multiple apartments. I mean, I got up to like 42 the other day, I think it was, and just kept going. If you swipe left on these panels here, it does allow you to scroll through the pages for the number of properties that you've got on there. But for the purpose of this video, at the moment, we've just got the 4. But yeah, you can add multiple. Now, it doesn't affect the contact list. Your contact list is still present. If I click contacts at the bottom there, that will still come up with all of the contacts you've got in your phone book that has been set on there as well. But what it does, if I click on add to speed dial, and I've got it in speed dial mode under my preferences, it will add this little tile to the home page. That's it. Like I say, most important things to take away from this is make sure that you are on the latest firmware. This feature is just at the moment compatible with the S617 and the 414. If you've got any other queries about the DNAKE series of products, anything in general, or looking for a specification on the DNAKE products, give us a shout or email us at technical@easygates.co.uk.